Hi guys, this is my little brother Lainey, and we have Transformers. And these are the others need to be connected. And they have other colors. Now let's open them up. So I got Ferrari,
Bumblebee.
like that one. Let's see. They transform. Let's try them out.
You see the button? It's stuck.
Let's try them out on the floor. Let's press them on. Again. It transforms. Look at this. It's so cool. Next time I'm
Pick
gonna
it
have
up.
Funko Pop. There's more. And we got another of those Avengers stuff. Guess what I got? A. Thor. B. Captain America. C. Another Iron Man. Like if you say Thor. Subscribe if Captain America. And share if you know it's Iron Man. 3, 2, 1. You win. You just like it. Now let's open this up. Here it is. It's got a weapon. Look at this, it's so cool. And here are the others. Iron Man and Hulk. You saw this on the last video. Next time I'm gonna have Thor, Funko Pop, and Thanos. If you like this, like and subscribe, ring the bell, and share.